How's it going, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a few quick and easy summer grilling, perfect for the holiday weekend. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with a few things on the grill. We have some ground beef that we're going to get seasoned up and make our patties. Starting with some Terry Black's barbecue seasoning. Not sponsored, by the way, just love the seasoning, salt, pepper. And then we're gonna weigh our patties out and get them ready for the grill. So today we have both Aiden and his brother Zach helping us out in the kitchen. Zach is doing all the grilling. We're starting off with some sausages. Like I said, this is gonna be quick and easy. We just wanna get everything that we could cook on the grill. This way we don't have to light the oven or the stove indoor for any reason. Get our patties on there. And then we let them do their thing. We have some fresh corn that we're gonna roast. I don't have any seasoning on there. After it's finished, we'll glaze it with some butter and salt and pepper, and that will be it for our corn. All right, let's make a quick and easy, delicious blueberry cobbler. Blueberry cobbler. So we're gonna start off with some fresh blueberry. We're gonna add in some flour. We're gonna need to zest some lemon. Thank you, Aiden. Our lemon zest. Try to get all of it. Next, we're gonna need some sugar. I have half a cup. And our lemon. And then we mix all of this together. I feel like all my lemon zest is in one space here. We put this aside and make our crumble. So we have some fresh flour, a pinch of salt, which I feel like we need a pinch over here too. Some baking powder, cold butter, and some heavy cream. But first we're gonna smash the butter into our flour. Have some more lemon zest. We have some heavy cream. I'm gonna add in a tiny drop of mix essence. And then this goes directly in here. I'm gonna do a little at a time. And then we just mix this up. We're going to need more. And I almost forgot, we need some sugar. So we have some granulated sugar, about a quarter cup or so. And we continue to mix. You don't want it to be too pasty, but not too dry either. So I may need just like a little bit more of milk or heavy cream in here. I'm going to put some milk instead, so we're not using so much heavy cream. Okay, this is looking more like it. So I went ahead and add a little bit of milk to it, not too much. Probably needed a bigger bowl, but perfect. Now we slide that over and bring this. We're ready for our blueberry. Give it a quick mix again. Oops. And then put all of that in there. We have some parchment paper on the bottom. You just want to put some of your dough and portion them out throughout. You could even like tuck it in. Okay, now that we have all of that there, I'm gonna add a couple more blueberry into our extra sugar there. Toss them around. And then we're just gonna sprinkle this on the top. All of our sugar in, and a little bit of extra sugar. We are going to put this on the grill because we're trying to make life easier, and we figure why not cook the whole meal on the grill. So let's take this outside and get it on the grill along with everything else that's going already. Okay, now that all of our meats are off the grill, we have our sausages off, our burgers, it's time to go ahead and put our pie on, or cobbler I should say. And this is gonna go for a bit, so we're just gonna go right in the middle and cover it up. In a caprese salad, all you're gonna need is some tomato, blueberries, basil, and some fresh mozzarella. Tomatoes, and then we're going to add in some blueberries, last one,
looks like molasses.
And that is it for caprese salad. Simple, quick, easy, done in like 5 minutes, especially if you prep ahead, but delicious. All right, next we have a watermelon salad. I may need your help for this, Jay. This knife is not big enough. Kids. Perfect. Okay, then we have a simple cookie cutter, and we're gonna make some cuts like that. Okay, so next we're gonna take our ingredients, and I'm just making a small batch of this just so you guys have an idea, but this is so simple and delicious. We have our watermelon. I'm gonna add in some cheese, some blueberries, we need a little bit of lemon juice. Let me grab our mint.
What is bluey appeared in your video, Mommy?
And and some balsamic vinegar. It's so thick. All you need is a little bit. And just a little pinch of salt. You have a refreshing dessert, healthy. Enjoy. And we have Aiden making some brioche bun to go with our burger patties, but everything came out perfect. It was so quick and easy to throw everything on the grill. Easy cleanup, no need to light your oven, especially on hot summer days. This is perfect for summer grilling, holiday weekends, entertaining your guests. Hope you guys try these recipes. Let me know what you think in the comments. As usual, we have another video that have a couple of side dishes. If you are cooking or entertaining for a large group, you could check that out. But our blueberry cobbler was delish, perfect with some hot vanilla ice cream. We had fun making these, so I hope you guys like it as well, and we'll catch you on the next one. Until next time, take care.